Looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls, and today we're going from basic to baddie. So I'm starting out with my makeup already done. If you guys like this look, comment down below. I'll start doing more makeup tutorials, but I do have a tutorial on how to get these brows, honey, so make sure you check that out. Check it out, girl. So I'm going to be using this frontal wig that I constructed, and I'm just going to go ahead and line that up on my head so I know exactly where I want that frontal to lay, because it is very important, ladies, very important. Placement is everything. You do not want your hair starting on your forehead, okay? So I'm just going through and placing this frontal exactly where I want it to lay, making sure that I don't have too much lace. So this seems to be a pretty good placement. So now I'm going to go ahead and start to gel that frontal down. So I'm just going to move my wig back, grab some got to be glue gel like everybody uses, and I will be applying a pretty thick layer around, well, kind of in front of my hairline and on my hairline. That moment when you just take a moment to admire your makeup. So now it's time to grab our blow dryer on cool settings and go ahead and make that gel tacky. Okay, you can kind of see that it's a little tacky now, so we're going to go ahead and place our frontal down. Now I'm just going to place it pretty much right over that gel and just try to make sure all of the lace lays flat. I have noticed that if you start from the middle and then pull it down on the sides, then your frontal tends to lay much flatter. So I've got my frontal to go ahead and lay down, so now I just want to grab my blow dryer, and now I am blow drying that frontal in place on high heat now. So now is the customization part, you guys. We're going to need our got to be glued gel once again for these baby hairs that I'm choosing to create. You don't have to create them. It's all in what you want to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my hair clips so I can see exactly what I'm working with and kind of figure out which way I want to go. So for this part, it's kind of hard to explain, but I'm just going to be grabbing my rat tail comb and just kind of pulling out a little bit of hair. You kind of have to eyeball it, so if you're kind of new at this, then just know that less is more when it comes to baby hairs. So and you don't want, you know, drastically long baby hairs either. So you want to make this as realistic as possible, even though sometimes it might not be super easy to do, but you just have to get the look that you like. So as I'm laying my baby hairs down, if I see excess lace, I go ahead and cut that off. It just makes your frontal look so much more realistic when you don't have excess lace. Alright ladies, so nobody wants to see any thick baby hair, so make sure you pluck it where it needs to be plucked, because less is more, trust me. So just to give you an idea, you can see that this baby hair right here is too thick, so I'm going to go ahead and pluck that, because trust me, thin is the way to go, ladies. So again, there is no right or wrong way to do this. I'm just kind of playing around. My baby hairs tend to be different with every unit that I make, so just play around with it until you find something that you like. So here's what it is looking like so far, and no, we are not completely done yet. You can still see that lace a little bit, but we're going to fix that. But so far so good. I'm liking how this looks. It doesn't look extremely fake. So our next step will be to grab our foundation, our powder foundation, and we're going to go in on this hairline, because we are going to cover these knots, because I did not bleach them. I just prefer not bleaching my knots, you guys. My hair tends to last a little bit better. I've noticed that I have less shedding in my frontals, so I don't really bleach my frontals anymore. I just use foundation. So now I'm just going in with my finger and pressing that frontal as well as that foundation into my skin for a flawless finish. So now I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail so I can tie my headscarf around so I can secure that frontal a little bit better. So now it's time to take a break, girl. Get some Z's or wait a little bit of time. You just want to let that frontal sit. I say minimum an hour. Okay, y'all see I didn't change my outfit. I had to take a shower, girl, because I am going out tonight. So it has been a little bit of time, and now I'm going ahead and taking off that scarf. So now I'm just doing a tug test to make sure that frontal not going nowhere, okay? So we seem pretty secure, so we cool. So y'all, to be honest, I should have washed this hair, but I'm running somewhere, so I don't have time to wash it. I've thrown a hat on this hair all week, so it's in horrible condition, but I'm just going to refreshen it a little bit with a few products. So I'm just grabbing my spray bottle with conditioner and water just to refreshen these curls. This is water wave hair, so this is his natural curl pattern. I absolutely love this hair, but it does look a little dull, so I'm going to put a little bit of life back into this hair with a little bit of conditioning. And I'm also using my coconut oil weightless hydrating oil mist. I'm just going in with my diffuser to go ahead and dry my curls. And I'm going in with my concealer to make my parting a little bit more natural. And here is my finished product, ladies. I have completed everything. My makeup is in place. My frontal is secured. And everything is looking fine. My hair isn't completely dry, but it's dry enough. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're interested in this hair or this hair color, I will be putting up a video very soon. And I will leave all of the information down below. If you like these contacts, I will leave all the information down below as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks so much for watching.